Over the past few weeks, I've noticed something really interesting. Suddenly, everyone seems to be talking about the Temu FREE Gift, not just on YouTube. I'm seeing it on TikTok, Reddit, Facebook groups, pretty much everywhere. At first I thought it was just another internet trend, and people chasing the next viral thing. But the more I looked into it, the more one pattern kept showing up. The people who were actually happy with their results weren't doing 10 different tricks. They weren't using a new coupon code every day. Most of them had one thing in common. They started with a code they actually trusted. That got me curious. So instead of watching more videos, I started comparing the codes myself. Same account, same shopping habits, different coupon codes. And honestly, the difference surprised me. Most random codes gave me exactly what you'd expect. Small discounts, average offers, nothing worth talking about. Then I activated the code on the screen, and that session felt completely different. The app started showing better coupon bundles, bonus savings, more reward opportunities, and a much more active free gift section than I was seeing before. That's when I understood why everyone keeps talking about it. It's not just because the free gift feature exists. It's because the people getting the best experiences usually aren't relying on random codes from old videos. After comparing a bunch of them, the code on the screen consistently gave me the strongest combination of bigger coupon bundles, better discount offers, and more free gift opportunities throughout the session. Now, let's keep this completely honest. Does that mean everyone will get identical promotions? No. Temu changes offers between accounts, and results can vary. But if you're wondering why some people seem excited while others say, "It didn't do much for me," I honestly think it starts with what they activate first. For me, the code on the screen made the biggest difference. Before you try another random viral method, activate the code on the screen first. Then tell me, do you finally understand why everyone is talking about the Temu FREE Gift? Or was your experience completely different?